Okay, this is the touch screen for the auger screw measuring devices control and adjust. This is the home page. You can press it automatic to enter the system. The product number 3 and means the weight packing is 1,500 gram. And on is to start auger screw start working to measuring the pounder. And you can enter in the parameter setting interface to set up different target gram. The product number 1 is for packing 200 gram, and the auger rings is 12 rings. Auger screw rotate 12 rings will release 200 gram powder. An elevator on delay is to means the auger screw feeder. When the eye sensor get the material, detect the material and delay 1 second to feeding the material. And elevator off delay is when the auger screw hopper with sufficient material, the eye sensor will give the signal to the system after 0.01 second to stop feeding the material to the auger screw measuring hopper. And this also you cannot set up this since it cannot influence the measuring target weight, and the parameter 2 is 1,000 gram, and the auger rings weight is 19 and 80 rings. And number 3 is 1,500 gram. This auger rings we assume is 20 and 10 rings. And also it's the same setup parameters method to, if you want to 500 grams, enter no, this 500 gram, enter, and the filling rings is 14 to enter, and auger speed is, we can press me 10,000, and the auger pulse is 1,000, and you save, and you can go to home page to start the product number 4 weight 500 gram to check if the auger screw measuring devices get the right weight we want. If the right still not enough, you can advise the parameter rings to 14 to 5, enter, and by adjusting this auger screw rings numbers to get the different target weight. That's all.